How's it going, folks? The Cajun Nerd here, and you're watching the Cajun weather. As you can see, it's kind of flooded here in Houma, Louisiana. And boy, the wind is kicking chicken. I'm in a freaking pool. That's why there's water right here. It's I'm such a couillon. Using my nipples. Well, I hope y'all like that video. If y'all do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Twitter links down in the description. I know I need to do longer videos than that. This is just short. But I'm thinking of doing. I'm just gonna keep this camera rolling. Of course, right? I better not even drop it. This is a very expensive camera. If I drop it in the water, that's it. Because I got it out. It's a case. Because I want to use this mic right here. So yeah. And actually, you can see the it's actually kind of dirty, you know. So yeah, I better be careful. Boy, that was fake news, like CNN. Because you know, CNN always does fake news, always fake. You know, but actually, here's the real deal. Here's what's going on. Actually, yeah, it's getting kind of dark here. Here's that tower. Well, in terrible. I just can see. Oh Lord. That tropical storm. Well, of course they turned it into a hurricane. But might do a hashtag like fake news. Something. Yeah, I guess that pretty much wraps up the video. Probably gonna do some more videos. But that video is like, just like CNN, like fake news is. That's pretty much what they do. It's like pour a whole bunch of bullshit, and it's like, man, like enough with the fake stuff. Let's get real here, bro. Come on. And then all this fake news is just it's just boring. What's that? Well, anyway, there's Maddie. Yeah, that's pretty much what CNN does. Well, just about every news channel, not just CNN, but Fox 8, well, Fox News, and WWL, whatever. Always trying to corrupt Trump. You know, always just a fake shit. It's just sorry. My language, because YouTube is kind of shitty today, because people, let's just take a shit on YouTube. You know, sorry YouTube, because even though you do shit, I love y'all, but come on, man, stop being shitty. Stop being shitty. And now I'm here to report the fake news. CNN has reported the thousands and millions of fake news about Trump. And it's just fake. No real people, just paid actors. Real actors. And the Cajun Nerd over there is choking, coughing. You know, that's fake news too. So I'm just gonna chill by the pool and laugh at them. I'm just gonna chill by the pool and eat my Buddha. Yeah. Just like fake news. CNN. Shining out. Taking it on. Yeah. I just wanted. I don't know. I'm just doing a whole bunch of random videos. I don't know what I'm talking about.